How to get my eyes only pictures back on Snapchat. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to get back my eyes only pictures on Snapchat. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to go into the Snapchat app on my phone. So if you want to get your My Eyes Only pictures back, then what we need to do first is to click right here. When I'm in here, then I'm going to just choose a random picture that I'm going to move to My Eyes Only. I'm going to do this because I'm going to demonstrate how to get it back. So I'm going to choose this photo right here, and then I'm going to click here. Now I'm going to click where it says My Eyes Only. When I'm done with this, then I'm going to click here where it says My Eyes Only. I will now need to enter my password to get into My Eyes Only. Keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how to get your pictures back. When I've entered my password, then I will be taken here. I will now need to click on this picture that I just moved here. In here, I will need to simply click on these three dots in the top right corner. And now when I've done that, then I will need to click where it says remove from My Eyes Only. And just like that, I have now gotten this picture back from My Eyes Only, and you will now be able to see it in your Snapchat memories again, and it will be gone from My Eyes Only. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.